Okay, it's a little crazy, but I want to get the camera in close. We're going to get into some construction now that's more complicated. The muscles are smaller and layered in many layers, from superficial to deep. Of course, we'll be constructing from deep first and then layering over that to get more superficial. So we're moving from the right forearm to the left forearm. You'll see many views from this view, so I want you to be oriented. We're looking at the left forearm supinated from the ulnar or medial view, and the muscles we'll be constructing, adding on, will be the deepest right here. We can see it coming from the radius and going all the way to the distal phalanx of the thumb. This is the flexor pollicis longus. Then we'll be looking at putting in the flexor digitorum profundus. It's got one muscle belly with 4 slips leading to tendons that go all the way to the distal phalanges of each finger, similar to the flexor pollicis longus. Next superficial layer will be the flexor digitorum superficialis, or sublimis, some people call it. It goes into 4 tendons as well, and those interact by splitting to allow the profundus to go through, and there's lots of instructions about how to do that. Then running more medial, we have the flexor carpi ulnaris. It's a flexor of the wrist. Wrist is carpus, so flexor carpi ulnaris based on its position. And then back over toward the radial side and much more superficial, flexor carpi radialis. We'll be looking at all the specific directions to construct these muscles onto the skeletal system.